Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you what I incorporate into my hair cream or my children's hair cream so we can get our hair in good shape and good length and texture. I got this information from TikTok and I decided to give it a try. So my daughter here has had this opening or this space in the scalp. It's not covered with a lot of hair, it's just so scanty. And I've been thinking, okay, since she's just a child, over time the hair will grow. But I'm tired of waiting, and I got this information from TikTok, and I decided to try it out since it has to do with using of natural ingredients for the products. So let's get started. Let me show you. Here I have the hair cream. This is the hair cream I found in the store. I've run out of my normal kind of African hair cream, so I found this in the store and I decided to go with it. This is mainly like lotion. I love hair creams that are like jelly-like hair creams, like you have the soulmate, those kind of African hair kind of creams. These ones are like lotion. Let's say they are lotion, but for the hair. Here is my first natural ingredient, clove. I have some clove here and I have the next one. Guys, I am using these because they are ingredients I can find in my kitchen and they are all natural. It's not to say that natural ingredients don't cause harm, no, but I prefer to use them than the chemical induced products. Yes. So the next one is rosemary. I have some rosemary here and clove. These two ingredients. Other people say you can also have some coconut oil. Some say tea oil. I don't know all these products. They're quite a lot, but I have these two in my kitchen, so I decided to give it a try to incorporate it in the hair cream. So yes, I'm blending the rosemary and I'm blending the clove together. So guys, I hope this works out, and if it ever works out like over time and I see it has improved, the hair growth has improved and the hair texture has also improved, I hope to come back to inform you guys, to give you people the 411. I'm always here for you guys. I'm one call away. So next I place blender, the dry blender stuff into the blender machine and I give it a thorough blend. Guys, like I said, these are ingredients I can find in my kitchen. If you have these ingredients, you can also give it a try. So I blend it, and blending it is so easy, but then this blender doesn't really do a thorough job. At the end of the day, I found out there are lumps from the clove and a little bit of sticks from the dry rosemary. While we are still using this product, that is the clove and the rosemary with our hair cream, I'm still coming across testimonies of people who have, encountered or used the clove technique. Some people have added a lot of things to their hair products or even just use natural products like the tea tree oil. Some says coconut oil with the clove, with the rosemary, and they've said it has really improved their hair texture. I saw a testimony on X, that is Twitter, and it gave me some courage to keep going on. There are lots of natural things people use for hair growth and hair texture improvement or hair length improvement. There are just a whole lot of things. Just that these things are time consuming, just like skincare products and skincare, glow. These things need work. They need a lot. You have to put in the work. So if you are just like me, we don't have time. We are so busy. We can't keep up to date with following a routine. Well, we have to just do the best we can do. So yes, guys, this is the clove and rosemary that I've blended. Since this is my first trial, I made a mistake, guys, and I own up to this mistake. I should have filtered this, like sieved it first, since there are lumps. But at this stage, I didn't feel it. I just mixed it into the hair cream. So please, if you're trying this, sieve it first. And next time when I'll be doing this, I'm going to be sieving it. I'll have to sieve it first. So guys, I place it on top of a transparent cover here so you guys can have a deep look at what it really looks like. At this moment, it looks like sand because of the color of the clove. Clove is usually dark in color. Then with the help of a skewer, I am mixing it, like incorporating the clove, rosemary into this lotion-like hair cream that I have here. Guys, if you made it to this point, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Let's grow our hair. Let's give our hair a good grow. There are some people who recommend, soaking your clove in water and then spraying the clove water on the scalp of your hair and then massage the hair from time to time after you sprayed the clove water. Have you ever tried this method before? Have you tried clove on your hair? Did it work for you? In fact, what encouraged me to try this is because of the testimonies I've seen and I've read from social media, especially TikTok. People say it has worked for them. I think someone on Twitter was also X was also saying that it works for her, that she used cloves, she used a lot of things, a lot of these natural ingredients, and that her hair texture and growth has been massive. So for my daughter, I'm also incorporating this into her hair. Although this is just a hair trim day for her. She's loosening and trimming, and I'm trimming off her split ends as well for her on this day. But we are all going to be using this hair cream, and I hope it does work for us. So guys, look at what it looks like. You can see it looks like sand. Then I pour it into the hair cream. Guys, look at this point, I'm also seeing that it has this rosemary lump or so, like a stick. So please, next time we have to sieve this before using. Like I said, some people soak their clove in water and just spray the clove water on their scalp, and they say it yields results. But I just want to mix this to the hair cream. So whenever we apply it, we just forget about any other thing to do on this hair. Just apply the hair cream until it's time to wash the hair, which is once every week or weekly. We wash off the hair and then we go next round of applying hair cream, or from time to time. Since I am on the mountain area of Saudi Arabia, it can be cold here sometimes and crusty and dry. So to moisturize the hair, to keep the hair moisturized, give it that moisture, we apply this clove rosemary hair cream on the hair. Apart from the girls and I using it, the guys as well can use this. I also want my boys to grow their hair to some extent, so I'm also using this hair cream for them as well. So yes, I'm almost done incorporating it, as you can see here, and it's pretty easy. It's pretty an easy process. Just blend. I love easy things. I love when things are so easy to do. Assuming they said soak it in water for 10 days, remove it from water, place it in the sun, dry it in the air. Trust me, I wouldn't have even gone that length. Next, I'm going to be putting them into good use. Let's see if this will work. Have you ever used clove and rosemary on your hair? Did it work for you? I would like to hear your story and I'd like to hear your testimony. Please share with me, and also share with you to tell you if it has worked for me and worked for my daughter as well. As for me, I really like natural products, incorporating them into my routine and whatever I use, body, eating, feeding, applying on skin. I like the natural products. Yes. So this is me massaging it into the scalp on the area of concern. And yeah, that's basically it. I do hope this works. So next time we remember to filter the product and have it smoother than it is now. So this is our first trial, and yeah, this is it. I hope this works, and I do hope it works. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. So many weeks later, when I went to Nigeria, this is my daughter's hair. Look at the area of concern. We were able to braid the hair. Formerly, I couldn't do anything on that part of the hair, but look at it. Her hair is able to be picked. Look at it. You are able to pick out hair from this place to braid this hair. Normally, I wouldn't even do this. So guys, let's say it has worked or it is working. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.